Like the residential course, the online blended course in Advanced Restorative and Aesthetic Dentistry covers the same topic. So we build upon the Level 1 course and consider prosthodontics, composites, and certainly occlusion in more detail. The course is the equivalent of 7 days online, and you can take anything from 2 to 3 weeks up to several months to complete that part of the course to fit in with your own lifestyle. In addition to that, we then have 6 residential days, and this gives you the opportunity to complete the practical component of the course, which is absolutely essential. Well, how would I hope that the course would enhance your career? Well, it would certainly allow you to do more predictable and more profitable dentistry, but also treat more complex cases and also simplify the occlusal aspects of treating these cases as well. So watch the testimonial videos to see what previous students have thought of the course, and then add your email address to the website, and then this will give you the opportunity to watch some of the sample videos so you can experience the type of course and the quality of the course that we offer.